Hey, Jilly Seal here, and I'm super excited to share with you something pretty amazing. For 10 short days, just 10, I'm going to be sharing with you my Pinterest growth strategy in 5 powerful days inside of my free social creatives hub, and then 5 days of washing up, cleaning up, helping you tweak, answering questions, Q&As, and helping you to review your Pinterest assets and make sure that you are getting the traffic and the traction you joined the challenge for. So what I'm talking about is I'm going to be sharing you the strategy, the tools, the techniques, the resources I'll be sharing with you in 5 days of pure training, value training. Inside of those 5 days, we will be joining together live at 4 p.m. GMT London time inside of the Social Creative Hub. So you need to really get inside of that space. And to do that, I'll share with you a link at the end of this video. And I'll be only sharing the resources, the techniques, the tools, and the downloads to those that will have registered to attend the 5-day challenge. Now, the Pinterest growth strategy, which is what it is about. This is a Pinterest visibility challenge that I'm going to be sharing with you. Is part of the Just Set Academy coaching program, and it's something that I truly believe will help lots of people go from oh boy to getting your efforts, bringing your message, your offers, your services, your brand to people via Pinterest. Maybe you don't have a product. Maybe you are an affiliate. Maybe you are in network marketing. Maybe you are a startup in your business. I love helping moms. I'm a mom. I love helping dads. I'm married to one. And all people in between above the age of 18, obviously. So I have put together some great training and bonuses for you that will help you go beyond Pinterest. So what I'm going to share with you will not just help you on Pinterest. You're going to be able to implement it on your other social media platforms. So if you attend the 5-day challenge, which starts on Monday, the 15th of September, right up to Friday, the 20th of September, you will also be able to take some steps after that. You will get access to my branding 101 workshop content. These are bonuses because it's nothing to do with the Pinterest challenge. You get 30 days inside of my exclusive mastermind. This is only for the winners of the golden ticket, and I'll be giving away prizes every day, Monday to Friday, and these are some of the prizes you'll be getting. You'll be getting access to some of my Pinterest secret sources that are not in the public space. I will help you zone in on who exactly you are going to serve. I'm telling you, the exercise you're going to go through, you have not gone through with anyone before. It will help you crush it in your business. Let me put that into perspective. Spend an hour with me. Sometimes, if I agree to be a commodity, costs $700. Spending an hour with me costs USD 700. 30 days with me is value, is priceless. And I'm telling you, you're going to get 5 days with me. What you will learn in that challenge is going to change your Pinterest game. You will learn how to successfully set up your Pinterest business account or convert what you have into a business account. If you're a business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, a savvy corporate, you want to have a business account on Pinterest. You'll learn how to choose the best images for your posts that will be more attractive to your given target market. You will learn to craft that content that will stimulate your audience and increase your followers and increase the traffic to your website, to your storefront, to your niche, your Facebook page, or wherever it is you want to send to your charity, your ministry, wherever it is you want to send your audience, you will be able to do that. You will learn how to avoid the common mistakes amateurs and newbies make on Pinterest. And these same mistakes people are making in other social platforms, especially Instagram. You will be surprised. Because Pinterest and Instagram, they are distant cousins also, although Pinterest is the more successful CEO, the badass. You will learn how to create an effective Pinterest success plan, definitely. And if you want to take Pinterest further, you will learn proper pinning techniques that attract repinners, that attract people that are following you to share your content because it is interesting to their audience as well. And last but not least, you will learn how to extend the life of your pin and your content and even run profitable ads. You will run campaigns that are not adverts, but you will run campaigns on Pinterest because I show you how to. If you have an e-commerce store, you're going to learn how to get people to buy straight from Pinterest. So I truly hope you join the challenge and also commit to your personal growth inside of the Pinterest Visibility Challenge that is all part of the Pinterest Growth Academy inside of Kalungi Growth. Click on the link below this video and I'll see you inside of the Social Creatives Hub, and we start on Monday the 16th of September. By the way, those people, it could be you. If you invite the most people to the challenge, day by day, I'll be picking randomly people that have been inviting people day by day and tagging them in the pinned comment. There will be a question and answer comment inside of the Social Creatives Hub. There will be a thread where you tag the people that you have added to the group, and the person who has invited the most people is gonna be receiving prizes. So there are prizes galore. So I'll see you inside of the community, and thank you for listening to me. See you inside of the Pinterest Visibility Challenge, and God bless you.